Okay, you ready? Can't close it that much, okay.
Alright, can she breathe? Mimi Bird, you're such a good girl. Thank you.
Oh.
I know. Poor baby bird. You clip your wings, okay? So you don't hurt yourself. I know. Almost done. It's a good girl. It's a good girl. I kiss you. I know.
Okay, let's pull her wing out so I can see it. See what it looks like.
Okay. No biting, Mimi Bird.
Yeah, that looks pretty good. How many I leave in there? There's 3, 4. Let me get
One more.
Yeah. No, I think she'll be fine. Let's do the other side now.
Okay. Is it this side?
Yeah, the opposite side. Okay, here. I gotta hold it like this.
No, it's fine.
I can't do it like that.
Oh, she needs to have her head.
She's gotta have her head down.
It's okay, Mimi. That's a good girl. I kiss you. I know, baby bird.
Let's see.
You gotta look it from the inside. I don't want you clipping her.
No, I know how to do this. You're pulling the wrong direction. It's okay, Mimi. I got it. Stop pulling on it.
She's biting. It's okay, Mimi. It's okay. It's a good girl. It's a good girl. It's okay. I clip your wings. That's a good girl. I kiss you.
Let's see how many that's left. Do a couple.
Wing.
Let's see. That's 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's good.
It's okay, Mimi.
Okay, I'm gonna scoop this up.
It's okay. I know. It's okay.